how to set up payment plans in funnels. There may be times when you want to set up payment plans as an option for products within your funnel. You may want to charge a recurring amount over a period of time. An example of this would be if you have a product that costs $100 and you want to charge $50 per week times 2 weeks. Or maybe you have a product that costs $300 and you wish to charge $50 per month over a 6-month period. You can set that up in your Stripe account and within the Funnel Builder. Let's take a look at how to do this. Step 1 is to set up the Stripe account product. Navigate to Stripe and log into your Stripe account. Under Products, create the product with a recurring price. Once you set the price, toggle on the Recurring option. Choose a billing period, for example, every 2 weeks, every 30 days, every 90 days, whatever you'd like. Step 2 is to set up the funnel product to match the Stripe account. Within your system, navigate to Funnels and Websites, and then choose Funnels. Click into the funnel you wish to update and choose Products. Click Edit for an existing product, or click the plus icon to create a new product. Choose from the options for subscription, one-time, or payment plan for the type of product. Of course, in this case, you'll be choosing Payment Plan. Set up the number of payments you wish to have. If you want to charge $100 in two $50 installments over 2 weeks, set the number of payments to be 2. This will automatically stop the payments after 2 weeks of $50 each, totaling the $100 payments that you have set up. Click Update to save your changes. And now you're all set.